So this is a question which is from CAT 2008. It's a pretty lengthy question. It's pretty sizable amount of data, and even the questions are pretty lengthy. I would suggest if you are not solved this particular set earlier, please do look at that set by yourself. The link to the set and the questions are available in the description of this video. Once you have done that, continue with this particular video. So the set says telecom operators get revenue from transfer of data and voice. Average revenue received from the transfer of each unit of data is known as ARDT. So there is one acronym which is there. In the diagram below, the revenue received from data transfer as a percentage of total revenue received and ARDT in US dollars are given for various countries. So for different countries, you have so Asia, you have India, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Philippines, etc. So you have ARDT on the x-axis. Y-axis represents the percentage of revenue from data transfer as a percentage of total revenue. So there are two sets of income. You have data and non-data or voice. And you have overall income for companies. Right? You have a billing rate, ARDT, so average revenue. Then you have volume. That will give you the revenue for that component. Right? So basically ARDT into number of units of data consumed will give you the revenue from data. Similarly, voice billing unit times the number of amount of voice or hours of voice used, that will give you revenue from that, and total revenue will be overall here. Let's go to the questions quickly and check what is there. It was found that if it was found that this is the case, it is expected if the total. So additional information is given in all the questions. Let's quickly run through where what data is available. Right, as I discussed earlier, you have a per unit charge, units consumed will be your revenue. So A into B should be equal to C. C should be A into B. Right. What is A? A is ARDT, which is given. So this is your x-axis. This is given in your x-axis. Okay. Similarly, D into E should be equal to F. Is anything given? No, this is a revenue from dot. Okay. Now we know C plus F. So let's call it G. G should be equal to C plus F. Right. B plus E should be equal to H. And G by H should be the overall average unit. Right. What is given in the y-axis? Y-axis is the revenue from data transfer as a percentage of total revenue. So revenue in data as a percentage of total revenue. So C by G is what is given in y-axis. Okay, so this is how we need to relate each data point over here. Nothing much to do. Let's go to the questions one by one and solve them. So I've marked up what is available. A is basically available in the x-axis. Y-axis is basically C by G, as we discussed. All right. First one says it was found that the volume of data transfer in India is same as that of Singapore. So data transfer volumes for Singapore and India are the same. Then which of the following statement is true? Let's see what is required. Total revenue is both the countries. Total revenue in India is 2 times this. Total revenue in India is 4 times this. Total. Okay, so you're comparing the total revenue of Singapore and India. We need to find total revenue of Singapore and India. Okay, so it's given volume of data transfer is the same. So let's assume 10 units of data transfer. This is data transfer. Now, what is the ARDT? So we are given B, right? So this is item B. Now item A, let's find it out. For India, item A will be about 1 unit. For Singapore, item A is about 9 units. So item C, which is the revenue from data, will be 10 units for India and 90 units for Singapore. Okay, I need to find the ratio of revenue. I need the overall revenue. So I know G by C is given in the y-axis. So let's try to calculate G for both of them, right? Okay, C by G ratio for India. India, about about 9% of the revenues, 8 or 9% of the revenues come from data. So this is 9%. So I know India's revenues, item G, will be 10 by 9 into 100, right? This will be India's item. Let's see what Singapore's item will be. Singapore's C by G number is. Singapore's C by G number is about 21%, right? 21%. So Singapore's revenue would be 90 divided by 21 into 100. So you can find a ratio over here. 9 goes with this. So it will be 81, 21. Roughly 4 times. Singapore is roughly 4 times India. Option E will be our correct choice. Pretty straightforward if you understand how the data is represented. Question number 2. It is expected that by 2010, revenue of data transfer as a percentage of total revenue will triple for India. So India's number will triple, right? This value for India will triple. And Sweden will double. Assume that in 2010, the total revenue of India is twice that of Sweden. What volume of data, and that the volume of data transfer is same in both the countries. What is the percentage increase in ARDT if there is no change in ARDT in Sweden? Okay, so assuming that the volume of data transfer is the same and the revenue of India is twice that of Sweden, what will happen given these changes? Now, this is almost like a flip of the previous one, right? In the previous one, we were required to find the ratio of the revenues. Here, the ratio of the revenues is given. We need to see how much will the ARDT change to. How much will the ARDT change in order to complete this? Okay, so let's start with Sweden and see what comes out of it, and then we'll move to India. So for Sweden, so you have A, then B, C, then from C we'll get C by G, and then we'll get G, and then we'll calculate it back for India. Okay, Sweden's ARDT number. Sweden is here. Sweden's ARDT number is about 6. Right. Volume of data transfer is same in both the countries. So let's assume 10 units here. So this will be 10 units here as well. Okay, so revenue from revenue from data will be 6 into 10, 60 units. Now, the C by G number for Sweden right now, it's about 18. This will double. So it will become 36%. So total revenue of Sweden will be 60 by 36 into 100. This will be the revenue. It is also given that the total revenue of India is twice that of Sweden. So India's revenue will be 2 into 60 by 36 into 100. Now we need to calculate it backwards, right? India's current C by G ratio is about 9%. It will become 3 times. So it will become 27%. So what will be C for this? Now, we had from G, we need to calculate C. So C by G into G will be C. So your C, which is the revenue value, will be 27 by 100 into, okay, let me write it down in a bigger place. 27 by 100 into 2 into 60 by 36 into 100. Right, this will be India's revenue from data. This is 3, this is 400 goes out, this is 15. 15 2s are 30, 13 to 3 is 90. Now, India's revenue is 90, volume of data is 10, so India's ARPU will be 9. right? Now the question is, what will be the percentage increase in ARDT of India? Right now, India's ARDT is 1. From 1, it has become 9. So it's a rise of 8 on 1, which is 800% increase. Option C will be our correct choice. And question number 3, if the total revenue received is the same for the pairs of countries listed in the choices below, choose the pair that has approximately the same volume of data transfer. Okay. See, we cannot do this exercise for all the pairs of country again and again. So let's see what we are actually required to calculate. It should be a pretty simple metric. Let's see what is the final metric that we need to calculate. We need to find the volume of data transfer. Okay, and it is given that the revenue for this block is the same, right? Okay, so if I am given the revenue, let's assume my revenue is 100 units. Can I calculate the volume of data transfer? Right? How will I calculate the volume of data transfer? If I given my revenue, I will go to y-axis and calculate my revenue from data transfer. C by G into G will be C. So into your y-axis number will give me my, this will give me my revenue from data. Right? What do I need? I need volume of data, which is B. C is A by A into B. Right? So if I'm given C, I need to find B. I will just divide C by A. What is A? A is the x-axis. So all I need to do is look at y-axis to x-axis for this range. Whichever is the closest, they should be equal. If the revenues are equal, then the volume of data transfer will be equal only if y-axis by x-axis value is the same for the other set also. That's all we need to do. Let's figure out. Philippines. Philippines is 34 by 3. 54 by 3. 54 by 3 compares with Austria. Austria is Austria. Here. Austria is roughly about y-axis is about 20. X-axis is about 7 or 8. Right, this is about 18. No, this does not match. Very huge gap. Canada and Poland. Canada is here. So you have 12 divided by 8. Poland is 22 divided by 6. This is 4. No, this is also out. Germany and US. Germany will be 24 by 7. And USA would be about, this is 20, about 17 by 11. Doesn't work. UK and Spain. Spain is here. UK is here. Okay. UK is roughly about 30 divided by 12 or 13. Spain is roughly about 15 by 6. This looks 6 or 7. Right, 12, 13. This looks pretty similar. We'll come back to this. And last one is Denmark and Mexico. Denmark and Mexico. You have 12 by 6 plays Mexico. Mexico is here. That's 18 by 3. No, this does not work. So D is the best option. And if you observe carefully now in hindsight, you would see that if you draw a slope, Spain and UK are roughly in the same line. Right? The others are not in the same line if you draw it from the origin. Right? So that's another way to check. Now, this is a beautiful, beautiful question. If you're looking at data interpretation, if you want to work with limited amount of data and how to go about improving your data interpretation skills, this is a set which you should definitely look at. It's a moderate question, but it's made extra difficult because we don't know how the data is linked. We don't know, there are too many data points, too few information. Each question has additional information. However, if you can figure out how one part of the data is linked to the other part of data, be calm. Each of the question can be solved off pretty reasonably. In an exam situation, this will take you about 10 to 12 minutes, moderate to slightly hard level of question. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.